In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use tablet as computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which type of tablet you have, either an iPad or an Android tablet, you will be able to connect it to an external monitor to essentially use it as a computer if you would prefer to have a more desktop-like experience. So all that you have to do is grab the proper cable. Usually, this is going to be USB-C for more modern tablets, to HDMI. So most monitors will have an HDMI port at the back, and you will be able to use that port to connect your tablet. This will also work for iPad and Android. So regardless of which one you have, you will be able to get this done. You can also use other cables, such as Thunderbolt. So if your specific monitor has a Thunderbolt port, that should also work. The important part is that you should choose one of these two connection types and establish the physical connection between your iPad, your tablet, and then your monitor. Once this connection is established, screen mirroring should begin immediately, regardless of which tablet model you have. So the screen is going to be mirrored right away. Alternatively, if you have something like an iPad, you will see a message like this depending on the monitor that you use. Stage Manager. Stage Manager adds multiple different things that will make using it as a computer easier. So you will have access to a dock, it makes multitasking easier, you will see your applications at the bottom, and so on. But the main point is that it is going to be compatible essentially to an external monitor, and you can simulate a more desktop-like experience with ease. If you are using a Samsung tablet, you can also enable DeX, which essentially is the same idea. It turns your Samsung tablet into a desktop right away. But if your particular model doesn't have any sort of these features, then you just have to use the screen mirroring to use it as a computer. You can also go over to the settings and you should be able to find your external display. And of course, all that I recommend afterwards is to connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse or use a cable to get this done, and you will be able to simulate a computer-like experience on your tablet regardless of the model. I hope I was able to help you on how to use tablet as computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.